What's up guys? Today we're doing a quick video on, believe it or not, the Harley. For those of you that don't know, this is my 2002 Harley Softail Heritage Classic. We've got a 26-inch wheel on the front, we've got it bagged in the back, and today we're actually working on the headlight. We got a package from LED Factory Mart in the mail. They sent over a new headlight. So this is the box right here. First, we've got our little wiring harness adapter. We've got the headlight right here. And as you can see, it's your standard black housing headlight, but we've got a halo around the outside. More of the wiring, and that's it. So, now I know on their website they've got this same light where this is LED, like RGB, where you can control it with, I think, your phone and a remote. This one is just the white. They also have the matching kit for the two outside fog lights or running lights, which we do not have yet. But today we're just going to throw this on the bike, see how it looks, see how the install is, and see how the quality is. Now, one thing I would like to do eventually is, once I get the two outside runner lights, is make a full detailed video. I would really like to make it to where I can like hit a switch and the outside halos are the only thing lit up, or something along those lines, but we'll cross that bridge later when we get there. Let's go ahead and take our old light out and get the new one in. So first thing we're gonna do is remove our outer housing. There is a Phillips or flathead down here that holds that in. So let's go ahead and take that out. Now you've got 3 Phillips head screws around the outside that are holding the light itself in. So I went ahead and left 1 screw in just so that doesn't fall out, but there's our light. All right, so we've got our new headlight right here. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Well, first I want to show you. So it's got your main 3-prong plug, and then it's got these 2 other plugs. One of these goes to your turn signal and one goes to your daytime running light. So this bike does not have daytime running lights. I mean, these lights are either on, high beam, or actually not even off. So in the future, when I kind of custom wire them to these and the turn signals, I'll probably most likely utilize those. But for now, let's just go ahead and plug it in to the 3-prong plug that's OEM. Get this kind of set up in there. And before we button everything up, I just want to test it out. All right, let me show you guys what I'm doing. So with this being a custom bike, my bike, the wiring is a little custom as well. So what I'm doing is this wire right here is basically my running lights. It goes to these 2 lights. So for now, I am just going to wire in a little dongle right to that light, and then that is going to plug in to the, I believe it's the white wire here, which will power the halo. Now, like I said, eventually I'm going to redo all this and make it to where I can like just have the halo on with no other lights, but for now, this is what we're doing. All right, guys, let's get it all plugged back in here. White goes to white. If we were to plug it into yellow, it would be the like outside amber light. So that we will use later on, most likely, but not right now. Make sure it turns on real quick. Yes, yes, sir. All right, guys, I went ahead and pulled it outside. I think it looks amazing. I cannot wait till we get the two outside runners to match. It really doesn't do it justice on camera because off camera you can really see the definition in the ring. And I was a little worried that it would just look like a like a white cover that's kind of illuminated, but it doesn't at all. It actually looks like singular LEDs around there, perfectly evenly lit up, and I think it looks amazing.